Hello students, today we will start a new topic, that is redox reactions. Now what does this word redox means? As you have already studied about this redox in class 10th chapter 1st chemical reactions and equations, that redox is comprised of two words, one is reduction and other one is oxidation. Now you have already studied that what does this reduction means? Reduction means loss of hydrogen, right? Or you can gain of hydrogen, or you can say loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen. And what does this word oxidation? Oxidation itself means कि उसके अंदर ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो रहा है. That means gain of oxygen. Gain of oxygen. Or you can say loss of hydrogen. And the reaction which contains both, the reactions in which reduction and oxidation both are undergoing, those reactions are known as redox reaction. That means the reactions in which simultaneously both reduction and oxidation taking place, those reactions are known as redox reaction. We are taking one example. For example, zinc oxide plus carbon. As you have already studied in your chapter 3rd metals and non-metals of class 10th, that carbon is a good reducing agent. Now this is the oxide of the zinc. Now the answer comes out to be, the product comes out to be Zn plus CO. Zn plus CO. Wait, let me set the camera. Zn plus CO. Now in this, ZnO is getting reduced as in this loss of oxygen is taking place. It in reactant side it was ZnO, and but in product side it is only zinc. That means there is no oxygen left with the zinc. So there is reduction taking place from ZnO to zinc. And in carbon it was only carbon, and now carbon becomes carbon monoxide. That means इसके पास अब ऑक्सीजन आ चुका है, तो it becomes carbon monoxide and it contained oxygen now, so there is oxidation, and this holy solely reaction is known as redox reaction. Means the reactions which are undergoing oxidation and reduction both simultaneously, those reactions are basically known as redox reactions. Now this is the thing that you have already studied in your class 10, but now the concept is quite different, you can say. Now the reduction is gain of electrons. Gain of electrons is called reduction, and loss of electrons is called oxidation. मतलब जिन रिएक्शंस में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन हो रहे हैं उस रिएक्शन में रिडक्शन हो रही है, और जिस रिएक्शन में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का लॉस हो रहा है उन रिएक्शंस में क्या हो रही है? ऑक्सीडेशन हो रही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विल टेक सम एग्जाम्पल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सी Fe2 positive, Fe3 positive. Now here it was Fe2 positive. Now here it is Fe3 positive. That means iron has lost its one electron. Iron has lost its one electron. You can say minus E, right? Minus E. Here it has lost its one electron and became Fe3 positive. So there is oxidation. You can say because you have already also studied in your class 9 that according to valency, Fe2 positive is known as ferrous and Fe3 positive is known as ferric. That means ferrous after losing one electron become ferric, right? Ferrous after losing one electron became ferric. So, and that is known as oxidation took place in that. So loss of electrons is known as oxidation and gain of electron is known as reduction. This is completely new concept for you, and please try to understand it carefully, that gain of electrons is reduction and loss of electron is oxidation. I'll take one example, full example, because see, you can't say a reaction to be redox if both doesn't takes place, both reduction and oxidation don't take place. If both reduction and oxidation takes place, then only reaction can be called as a redox reaction. And redox reactions are basically, or you can say, reduction and oxidation. Now this is very important, and every time there is one question asking that why how reduction and oxidation are complementary to each other. Reduction and oxidation are complementary to each other. Complementary to each other. Complementary to each other. Because they go, I have already told you that they takes place simultaneously. That means they go hand in hand. That means जितना ऑक्सीडेशन होगा उतना ही रिडक्शन होगा. मतलब अगर कोई चीज़ ऑक्सीडाइज हो रही है तो उतनी ही दूसरी चीज़ क्या होएगी, रिड्यूस होएगी. तो इस दैट इज वाई दे आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू ईच अदर. दैट मीन्स दे गो हैंड इन हैंड. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Zn plus copper sulfate gives ZnSO4 zinc sulfate plus copper. Zinc sulfate plus copper. As here zinc was having 0 valency and here Zn is 2 positive, and copper is also, here copper was 2 positive and here copper is having 0. Now from it became from 0 to 2 positive. That means there is a loss of 2 electrons. There is a loss of 2 electrons. That means here oxidation take place, and here there were 2 positive and here is a gain of 2 electron because its state becomes 0. So here there is a reduction, there is gain of 2 electrons, so there is, you can say, reduction. It is called reduction. So that's why you can say reduction and oxidation are complementary to each other. That means they go hand in hand. जितना ऑक्सीडेशन होएगा उतना ही रिडक्शन होएगा. दैट मीन्स 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इसने लूज किए और इसने क्या कर लिए, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन कर लिए. सो नाउ द कंसेप्ट यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड इन योर क्लास 10th, दैट गेन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन और लॉस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, और यू कैन से गेन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन और लॉस ऑफ oxygen are way old. Now from this class you people are going to say that oxidation means loss of electrons and reduction means gain of electrons. The components which are actually gaining electrons are getting reduced, and the components which are the components which are losing electrons are getting oxidized. और आपको ऑलरेडी इन द क्लास 10th you know that what is the reducing agent. Reducing agent, the one which itself gets oxidized and reduce other is called reducing agent, or you can say reductant. And here reducing agent is the one which itself gets oxidized. which itself, that means here zinc is the reducing agent because it itself getting oxidized, so it is reducing agent, or you can say reductant, reducing agent. And what is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent, similarly, the one which itself gets reduced and oxidize other is known as oxidizing agent, or you can say oxidant. Here copper sulfate is oxidizing agent, oxidant, because it itself getting reduced and oxidizing the other. Now this was just the basic of redox reaction. Tomorrow we'll do the next thing. We'll find oxidation states, oxidation number. I'll tell you the difference between valency and oxidation number. And this was the basic introduction. Please go through this. Thank you.